Hello and welcome to this course, the ultimate Docker guide with interview preparation. So why everyone in IT should learn Docker? Docker really simplifies how you develop and deploy your code and run your application. Shipping your application into a container makes deployment and scaling smooth and drives automation. It makes DevOps easy and makes your production environment robust. So, the jobs that you can expect after you become a Docker expert: DevOps engineer, Java developer, software engineer, system administrator, system engineers, senior software engineer, Python developer, network engineer. So, in this course, we will handle a lot of stuff and materials. What is Docker and why? To learn it. Virtual machines versus containers. How Docker works and architecture overview. Docker engine. We will handle what is Docker engine and how it works. Docker images, Docker containers, Docker networking. Docker commands. We will have the most important commands that you need. Containers management. We will launch our first Nginx container and learn how to build it and to work on it from the scratch. How to handle Docker file, how to write it, how to read it, and how to understand it fully. Docker Compose app and Python file. So we will learn how to read and write the Docker Compose YAML file and how to launch it. Finally, we will have an interview preparation. So we will have many questions. It will be a question and answer style. I will ask you this question, I will give you some time to answer it, and then you will compare your answers with the ideal answer. You will estimate yourself, so you will be ready and you will have a confidence in the interview. So what are you waiting? Enroll now. And we have a 30 days money back guarantee. No worries at all. And I guarantee you there is a job guarantee after taking and following my steps here in this course. I'm pretty sure you are excited. I will see you there.